what's going on here. You're holding the camera. I'm trying to get an exhaust in. And no help is given. But on a side note, we're just deleting mufflers out of this thing to make it a little louder and sound cooler. I guess we can make it lighter too. I don't know if that really matters, but yeah. Mufflers where I'm just putting a piece of like 2.5 inch pipe.
What time is it?
What?
What time is it?
You know what time. So yeah guys, fitting pipes together, it's pretty neat. Like, all that lines up and then a little bit of a weld, and that's all she wrote. I'm cutting the tips. That's what I'm doing. And then just pan off with the camera to make the shot. Pretty nice. Cutting these little slits into it, bending the pipe around, and I'll weld it up, and I'll use the anvil and I'll shape this round again, and then clean it up, and then I'll put it on. just finishing this exhaust thing, the muffler delete, and just putting in the factory hanger so that I can make a hanger to the exhaust to hang it up. Alright guys and girls, we just finished that exhaust in that sweet car that you saw earlier. So we're going to try and start it up and see what it sounds like. Like, subscribe, comment below, hit the like button, hit all that other fancy stuff that I don't know what it's called. And if you want to see more stuff like this, you know, comment below, and you know, we'll try and show you some more cool shit.
Yeah. Tire pressure.